Hello everyone, my name is Pande Vidya Putri, number 31, class 10 MIPA 6. Report text about helicopters technology. Helicopters is an aircraft that is lifted and propelled by one or more large horizontal propellers. Helicopters are classified as rotary wing aircraft to distinguish them from other ordinary fixed-wing aircraft. Compared to fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters are quite slow, have a short range and a limited payload, whereas the advantage is the movements. The helicopters is able to fly in flights, retreat, and takes off and land vertically. The helicopters is limited in terms of adding fuel and launch or altitude. It can fly to any locations and land anywhere, with a pitch the size of the rotors and half its diameters. That's all of my video about helicopters technology. Thank you.